Okay, hold on. Perfect.
Nasty girl, nasty.
Okay.
Tails, because you're gonna have what I do. Yeah, no, it's really interesting. We don't have any prosthetics. No cute little dots on the face like they have with some of the Avengers and whatnot. No, we got an incredible team over at ILM, and I think you guys wanted to elaborate on that, but they've been fantastic, and I could just be me. It's really exciting. I wonder if like you walked up with like, hey guys, one eye. No, I just close one eye and then I act like this the whole time. It's fun.
It's great. It's great. It's great.
Oh! Speaking of, hey Dad, how's it going? Hey guys.
Were you like an avid reader?
Huge fan. Like waiting for the books to still be written fan. Like I started reading these when I was like 10 years old, and so I'm a little older than the rest of these guys. But no, I read them with my dad, read them with my brother. It was huge for me. And so to come on now after watching season 1 with this incredible cast, incredible creators, no, it's a dream come true.